How to allow Facebook Marketplace permissions. If you want to use Facebook Marketplace, there are few settings that you need to allow. In order to allow those permissions, open App Library of your device. Find the application for Facebook and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Permissions. There are specific permissions that you need to allow for Facebook Marketplace. Find the option for camera and tap on it. Make sure to tap on this option Allow only while using the app. Go back. Likewise, allow the permission for photos and videos. Tap on that option. Tap on the option Allow. Go back. You'll also have to permit the location permission. Tap on the option Location. Tap on the option Allow only while using the app. Go back. Likewise, you can also allow additional permissions like photos, notifications, etc. Like this, you'll be able to allow the permissions for Facebook Marketplace. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.